Hello everyone and welcome to this month's Sephora Playbox! Boop, boop, boop. I feel like I just did one of these because I kind of just did one of these. Sephora had a luxe edition available for the eyes that I recently just did, so I feel like I'm getting double Sephora play this month. Which honestly I'm okay with, since that play one for the eyes was kind of They have made the box quite Cassie proof this month, but I guess that just gives me extra time to tell you guys what Sephora Play is in case you aren't aware. It is Sephora's monthly beauty subscription where you get, I believe it's always, I should really know this by now, 5 deluxe beauty samples plus an extra, the extra being a either little perfume sample or else a rippy crap packet of shampoo and conditioner. Phew-ta, folks. I did it. It is $10 a month. You do not have to be like a VIB Rouge or even a VIB, I don't think, or anything. Like, you can just sign up for this. I believe, you can do it monthly, you can do it yearly, however you want to subscribe. And it looks like this month's theme is more of the good stuff. And then you get your little play pass on here, which gives you 50 extra beauty insider points if you bring this in store. Some people say you have to make a purchase. Some people say you don't. Some people say you can only redeem one at once. Some people say you can redeem multiple. Some people say they expire. Some people say they don't. I've experienced multiple of these things. It really depends on who's working at the register that day. I'm not going to look at this because it tells me what all the products are inside, and I like to keep that a mystery. So it looks like we are going back to basics with this play bag. Not that, I don't know that they've ever made like a classic one like this, but as always, I'm excited to crack on into this with you guys. Let's see if I can find, okay, we've got a Rippy Crap packet as the extra this month. We have got a Christophe Robin. Isn't this a hair company? This is a regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil for sumptuous hair. Smoothed, protected. Okay. I'm actually okay with that, honestly. For Rippy Crap packets, I would much rather it be something like a one-time mask use type of a thing than like shampoo and conditioner, because I'm kind of picky on what I use in my hair. For shampoo and conditioner on the daily, well, I don't wash my hair every day, but you get what I'm saying. So, what do we got? We got some boxes in here, we got some squeezy tubes, we got some roundy rounds, and another roundy. I guess I'm starting with this. What is it? Ooh, so this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. I have not heard of this before. Cool! Is it an eye makeup or just face makeup in general? Well, that will be interesting to try. Although with a little bottle like this, I feel like I don't know that I'm gonna get too many uses out of it to really test it out, but that's okay, I'm still excited. And next up, let's see, I'll go for, I'm very curious about this disky thing. Ho ho! Ho ho. Sephora, no you didn't! Recycled birthday gifts, anybody? This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Paaarty! This is a lovely blush. However, I have it because I got it in last year's birthday gift. You couldn't have done a new shade, Sephora? You had to recycle the birthday gift one? I don't know, maybe that's just me being bitter, maybe that's just me being whatever, but that's really disappointing. It's also a little strange that they would include 2 Tarte products. I feel like they try and do brand differences, in the bag. I'm just gonna move on because that was disappointing. I'm gonna go for one of the box things. What have we got? Oh, okay. I've not heard of this brand, but this is the KORA Organics Noni Glow or Noni Glow Face Oil. Created with love by Miranda Kerr. Isn't she like some sort of celebrity? Cool, okay, I'm always down to try a new facial oil. So let's see, do I go for the squeezy tube or do I go for the boxy box? I'm gonna switch it up, we're gonna go for the squeezy tube. Okay, we have got the JOSIE MARAN Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter Ultra Hydrating. I mean, I'm not like upset with that. It is we're getting a little skincare heavy. So this box in here, my guess, I feel like this feels like a Makeup Forever box based on what we've got in the past. And I was wrong! I would be so excited if I didn't already have this. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. This is the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. Somehow I will never understand, but I am on Fresh's PR list, and so when they released this new shade, this Dream shade, they sent it to me. I use this a lot. It has become a staple in my purse, just throwing it on when I'm out running errands or just, you know, casually if I need to reapply a lip product but I don't want to reapply like a bright lipstick that I might have been wearing that day. I just put this on. I love these lip treatments from Fresh. I will just have to include both of these products in a giveaway. This one, bitterly, and this one, I mean, I'm happy to share the love since, like I said, I already have a full size of it. So honestly, I'm a little, I don't want to say I'm bummed with this month's Sephora play because, like I said, if I didn't already have this, this would have been a really exciting thing and would have made up for the whole box, but because I already have it, I'm basically just left with skincare, which, like, is fine, but I'm not the most excited about it. You get what I'm saying? I mean, that being said, I will still use the products, I will still try the products. That just is what it is. That's how I'm feeling right now. So let's see what Sephora has to say in here. Drink in the goodness. Your skin works hard on the daily, so give it some love with a cleaner, natural ingredient packed routine. Okay, that's cool. So just giving some little explanations there, but let's see. The good stuff. A cleaner beauty routine is easier than you might think. Start with these natural standouts that really work. None of this month's selections contain parabens, phthalates, or sulfates. Cool. And for Pun Game, for the Tarte blush, it's Clay All Day. The JOSIE MARAN Whipped Argan Oil is Here We Glow Again. Oh, that's good. It's Here We Glow Argan. Like, here we go again. That's funny. For Tarte, it's A Sure Thing. Fresh is All Natural Sweetener. KORA is From Soil to Oil. And then the hair mask is Deep Seated Strands. Cool. Most, if not all of this stuff, I'm gonna have to test out tomorrow. I was not expecting to be able to film today because right now we have just got a rare peak of daylight that we haven't had in the past couple days here. This was a spur of the moment thing. I had already washed my face and put on my facial oil and my hydration, my moisturizer, there's the word. So instead of just going ham on my skin and cleansing twice in one day, like in the morning, that's just silly. I'm just gonna do that tomorrow with you guys. I will use the cleanser tomorrow with you guys. I will wear these things with you guys. Yeah, maybe there was a reason I didn't film today. I also am apparently not very good at speaking right now. I mean, I won't be using these two minis because that would just be wasteful, but I will show you what those look like on with the ones that I have, and I will also try out the face mask. I need to, yep. It's a sign. Cassie, you shouldn't be filming today anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead. I mean, it doesn't matter to you guys, but you will see me in different attire and stuff tomorrow / in just a second here on YouTube land so we can test out this stuff, see how it does, and then we will do a little wrap up at the end of the night. So I guess we can snap transition away. Yeah, we feeling it? Ready? Ding! Okay, so let's get the elephant out of the way in the room. I was dumb and I got very sunburnt, so but anyways, I think it should be quite apparent. Just got out of the shower for today, and now I need some moisture on my skin. I'm gonna start off with the facial oil, as you do, or as one is supposed to do. So I am just going to put, this is so fancy with a dropper and everything. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. I feel like that's typically how much I use, and you warm it between your palms, and then you just kind of smear it on, you know? Oh, what does that smell? It kind of smells like tartar sauce. Okay, I'm just gonna go with it. Maybe Noni or Noni is code for tartar. I mean, it feels nice. It feels like a facial oil. I don't really know that I can say too much else about it. And then the moisturizer, no safety seal, womp womp. It says to apply a quarter size amount. I don't know, is that a quarter? I feel like that was way too much. Certainly more than I typically do, but I don't think it smells like anything. Kind of hard. I mean, that facial oil isn't like hyper potent, the smell, but I certainly can't smell anything else above that. So this feels really nice. It feels like it's sinking in pretty nicely and quickly. It doesn't feel greasy or anything, so yay. And it does feel nice and hydrating. So yay! I'm gonna go. I'm gonna let all this sink in, do their things, and then I will be back in just a second here on YouTube land to do more with you guys. So, another snap transition. Ready? Ding! Okay, so like I said earlier in the video, I am going to be using my already used and owned versions of these products. So I have got the Tarte blush in paaarty, which you can see I have used quite a decent amount based on the part of it that's missing there. There you go, there's your proof. So I'm just gonna zoom you in a bit so that you can see how this is applied with Tarte blushes. I mean, I feel like most everybody has tried Tarte blushes at this point, and if you haven't, oh my goodness, I highly suggest that you invest in one. They are probably my favorite blushes out of all blushes. So I do love them. Just really wish they could have given us a not recycled birthday gift shade. So one of the things that I love about Tarte blushes is that they're super buildable, like super duper buildable. So you can, like, I doubt you're going to be able to see on camera, but I've got a very nice sheer wash of color there on that cheek, and the shade just really is. It's a really nice natural mauvey pink, and it is matte. So there we go. Can you see a difference? No blush? Blush! Certainly in real life you can tell a difference. And Tarte blushes, they just last so nicely on me. They last all freaking day. I have no problems with Tarte blushes. They are, like I said, definite favorites. So there we go. And then, like I said, I do have this full-size version of the Dream Lip Therapy, and as you can see, I've only got that much left. Like, I do use this a lot. Maybe my lips will match my sunburn. Hashtag summer goals. Just kidding. Don't get sunburnt, folks. It's so bad for you. And there you go. That's really it. Like I think it says in the description and everything, this is just a sheer wash of pink, and these smell fantastic. It's like a nice, like, kind of lemony, sugary kind of a smell. They're hyper moisturizing. I would say, especially with this one, like with the color being so sheer, it lasts like maybe 2 hours and then I'll want to reapply, but the moisture that it leaves your lips would last for like 4 or 5 hours. Like, they're very good. So there you go. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it from me for now. I'm gonna just go ahead and finish up my makeup and get some more filming done here and then go about my day, and then I will be back to check in with you all at the end of the day. And then we can use this Tarte cleanser together and just do a final wrap up overall. Also of note, the oil and moisturizer did just fine with putting the rest of my makeup on top. Like, I didn't have any problems with it, like making my foundation separate or anything. Like, they worked just fine. So anyways, you guys ready for another snap transition? I'll see y'all in just a second here. Ready? Ding, I think. Did I do a ding transition? Oh, look at that burn in all its glory. Just kidding, like I said. Don't be stupid, folks. I wasn't expecting going to be able to film this in sunlight here today, but my things wrapped up earlier than I thought they were going to wrap up today. So, 'tis time, boop boop, to test out this cleanser. Now, I did look and it says that this is gonna wash my face and take off even waterproof makeup. Now, it doesn't specify waterproof mascara, but it does say waterproof makeup, so I'm really hoping that this is not gonna kill my eyes. Just said that this is vegan, and you just take a pump of this, a pump because they're talking about the full size, but oh, this smells familiar. It's like a lavender oil. I do believe it said there was lavender in here. So I have this bowl of water, and I know you're probably thinking, Cassie, why don't you do this in the bathroom? That's no fun. Why do it in the bathroom when I can make my life more difficult by doing it this way? So it said, oh God, what am I doing? It said a wet face. So there we go. Wet face. Yep. So I can get you a little zoomed in, yes. So I don't know exactly how much a pump would be, so I'm just gonna dump this on my hand, and it said to rub it between your fingers until a lather forms. I think I've got a little bit of a lather here, and now I'm just gonna rub it on my skin. It also kind of smells like aloe, or maybe it's just because I've been slathering my body in aloe so much these past couple days since I got burned. That's all that's on my mind. And it just said you just rub in circular motions, I think for like 30 or 60 seconds, is what they said to do, so we shall find out, folks. We shall find out. I'm just nervous. I feel like this shouldn't go in my eyeballs. Ooh, it's definitely turning like foundation-y colored. Yeah, I'm like trying to use my monitor as a mirror, which is a horrible idea because it's so far away. But now I am gently massaging this onto my eyeballs and praying that when I open them, pain is not awaiting me. Oh no, I can already tell this is not gonna be good when I open my eyeballs. How's it looking? It does look like it's getting some of my mascara off, honestly. You know what? I don't know that this should be a YOLO moment, but I'm gonna YOLO this and keep trying. I mean, it said waterproof makeup, so I mean, what else would that be implying? But that's getting the mascara off. Dang, dude. Okay, I feel like I can feel this kind of not going into my eyes, but I feel like the oils are permeating. So I'm gonna come back in a second. I'm gonna go actually wash this off my face and we'll see how clean my face becomes. Okay, so clearly that did not get everything off, but it said it was supposed to leave the skin feeling nice and moisturized. It does. Let's see if it was able to get off. Yeah, I would say that did a really good job. I mean, I'm not seeing any foundation residue, really. I mean, it looks like there might be a little tiny bit, but I also think that's kind of coming from the perimeter where I don't think I scrubbed quite as much with that stuff. But even then, I mean, pretty dang good. I think, I mean, it's not hurting my eyeballs, but it also doesn't feel great. So I'm thinking this is maybe not meant for the eyeballs. Maybe steer clear of that. But it still did take off quite a bit of that mascara, so I'm actually pretty darn impressed. So yeah, I think that's gonna about do it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing the products that I personally got in my Sephora play this month. It was not my favorite. However, we have been over why it was not my favorite, and it is not completely Sephora's fault. However, I do think there were some definite winners in here. I mean, this is a good little cleanser and makeup remover. Like, I'm very pleasantly shocked with the Tarte. That's, I think, probably what I'm most excited about in the box. And then also, I mean, the facial oil and the moisturizer seemed nice. You know, it's hard to know on first use. I feel like most of, you know, skincare type stuff like that, like an oil or whatever, not a cleanser type skincare, but that kind of thing, it takes at least a few weeks to really show results. But I mean, on first time use, they felt really nice and I enjoyed using them and I will enjoy continuing to use them. So let me know down in the comments down below if you get Sephora Play, what did you get in your box this month, since Sephora does change it up from person to person. Did you also get the birthday repeat / the birthday recycled gift? I hope not. I mean, unless you missed out on that gift, in which case, congrats, because it's a great blush. But otherwise, I would still love to hear what you got in your Sephora Play. Do you get Sephora Play? Do you not? Why do you? Why do you not? All that good stuff. I just love hearing from you guys. And if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, please do go ahead, give me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content from me in the future. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!